Natural rubber trees tapped at dawn, white latex dripping into collection cups, latex transported in sealed containers to processing facilities. Synthetic rubber pellets produced in industrial reactors, quality inspection of rubber batches in laboratories. Rubber compounds mixed with stabilizers and pigments, sheets of rubber pressed and cooled. TPU thermoplastic polyurethane granules prepared. TPU melted and extruded into thin films, thickness measured by laser sensors, rolls of TPU film wound and labeled. Polyester and cotton yarns spun for reinforcement layers. Yarn tension tested under mechanical stress, fabric backing woven on automated looms. Fabric coated with adhesive resin-coated fabric dried in temperature-controlled chambers. Computer software designs FIFA 2026 panel geometry. Digital panel patterns optimized for aerodynamics. CNC cutting machines receive panel data. TPU sheets fed into cutting machines. Precision laser cutting of individual panels. Cut panels collected on conveyor belts. Visual inspection for edge accuracy. Panel surfaces textured for grip. Microgroove patterns embossed using heated molds. Panels cooled to lock surface texture. Printing machines apply base color layers. National and tournament color schemes. Printed FIFA branding and logos applied and cured under UV light. Color consistency checked by optical scanners. Panels stacked by size and batch. Latex bladder molds prepared. Liquid latex poured into rotating molds. Bladder walls evenly distributed by centrifugal motion. Bladders heated and vulcanized. Excess material trimmed from bladder seams. Bladders inflated slightly for shape testing. Air retention tested in pressure chambers. Approved bladders sent to assembly line. Fabric layers wrapped around bladder core. Reinforced carcass stitched or bonded. Carcass shaped into near spherical form. Panels arranged according to design map. Adhesive applied to panel edges. Panels heat bonded around the carcass. High pressure thermal bonding seals seams. Ball rotated during bonding for uniformity. Cooling tunnel stabilizes ball structure. Initial inflation to regulation pressure. Robotic arms rotate ball for inspection. Surface alignment checked with cameras. Seam strength tested. Mechanically bounce test performed on steel plates. Rebound height measured digitally. Weight verified to FIFA standards. Circumference measured with automated bands. Roundness tested by spinning analysis. Water absorption test conducted. Balls submerged in weighed post test. Pressure retention monitored over time. Logo clarity inspected manually. Surface grip tested with friction tools. Approved balls receive quality stamp serial numbers. Laser etched. Balls deflated slightly for packaging. Protective wrapping applied. Individual boxers folded and assembled. Balls placed into branded cartons. Instruction leaflets inserted. Cartons sealed and labeled. Batch codes scanned into inventory system. Cartons packed onto pallets. Pallets shrink-wrapped for transport. Warehouse climate control preserves material integrity. Random cartons opened for final audit. Compliance documents prepared. Export certification verified. Containers loaded at logistics docks. Shock sensors attached to shipments. Sea or air transport begins. Arrival at regional distribution centers. Customs clearance. Processed balls reinflated for sample checks. Retail and stadium allocations finalized. Training and match use batches. Separated official match balls stored securely. Stadium delivery. Coordinated match officials receive sealed balls. Pre-match pressure check conducted. Ball placed on pitch. For warm-up. Final visual check. Under stadium lights. Referee approval. Granted. Ball positioned at center circle. Crowd noise rises. FIFA 2026 match begins with the first kick.